Interested in how cutting-edge technology has revolutionized farming around the world? Join us today as we explore the evolution of advanced agricultural machinery, featuring truly astonishing innovations. Brace yourself, cause 3, 2, 1, action! This harvester is devouring the cherry orchard, so we can devour on those plump fruits without having to handpick them. This machine can literally leave no stone and peanut unturned once it passes by. What a magnificent sight and a huge relief for farmers to see this gigantic air seeder being put into use. This harvester picks up the broccoli, cuts all roots off, peels the outer leaves, and here comes fresh broccoli ready for consumption. The mundane task of cutting tulip heads is now done with much more ease and convenience, thanks to this cutting machine. This rotating conveyor belt has rendered the whole process of collecting cabbages here so smooth and seamless. Instead of stooping down to pick up the corianders, all farmers need to do is move this truck forward and let it do all the work. These onions roll into this machine like a long queue of fans waiting to enter the stadium. And what's best is very little human force is used to collect them. Swiftly and accurately, this ASA lift model makes sure no garlic is left on the ground when it comes around. All of them get their roots and dirt removed, both automatically. This amazing mechanical system enables us to not only pick up clusters of tomatoes, but also remove the leaves and give us fresh, juicy, intact tomatoes. With a blade in the front, this cutting machine very neatly and delicately cuts the lettuce without damaging any leaves. If you're a fan of chamomile oil or tea, you may be interested in how this compact yet effective system collects all the flowers on the field. Harvesting coffee beans can be time-consuming, but doing so in this huge plantation is no biggie with the help from technology. Another ingenious system that not only collects the leek, but also adjusts its conveyor belt to allow more capacity while still on the run. The creation of modern technological equipment like this has liberated humans from the laborious process of harvesting fruits. Berries are often known to be time-consuming to harvest, but these trucks are making collecting blueberries on this vast barren look so easy. Smokers. This is how engineering has been applied to collect the material that makes your cigarettes every day. As this machine sweeps through the land, it sucks in all the fluffy cotton flowers that will be made into your clothes and loved pillows. The unique Homer Easy Lift system has a lightweight design that guarantees unmatched harvest productivity, along with low fuel consumption and soil protection. A small type of berry, black currants, can be harvested conveniently thanks to advanced development in technology and mechanics combined. Liner's two-row self-propelled carrot harvester model can double efficiency on the field, allowing the carrots to be free of leaves and farmers free of harsh labor. This John Deere is plowing and preparing the seedbed in one pass. This will remarkably facilitate the sugar beet crop next year. Considered the first selective harvesting robot in the world, this one-row self-propelling robot harvests asparagus by accurately detecting and pulling the shoots out of the ground. This mower moves on grass and does its work as smoothly as a razor on a man's beard. Once the plums in the plantation turn plump and purple, that's when this huge machine sets out on collecting them all. And after being harvested, the plums are spread out evenly for drying. Sun-dried prunes are then collected again with this tractor. These combined harvesters prove itself an indispensable tool during harvest season, as they work at an incredible speed and an impressive level of consistency. When these monsters are in action, farmers can quite literally sit back and still tons of wheat end up harvested. Once a labor-intensive task, planting celeriac has been radically revolutionized after this machine was invented. This forage harvester may be humble in size, but it also works with excellent consistency like larger machines can. A fruit shaker and a collecting machine are all that it takes to get the burden of harvesting walnuts manually off humans. Solar-powered and remote-operated, this innovative wheel-line mover makes watering your plantations both an enjoyable task and sight. This combination of trucks and wagons does wonders to the process of harvesting cucumber on large farms. Not just making bale, this machine takes it to another level with a system that stacks and unloads stacked bale on its own while still running. When it's harvest time, this machine acts like a giant whose hands can shake all the almonds off the trees for farmers. Fully electric, this harvester is a game changer for owners of green salads and herbs garden. With a pickup width of 20 inches harvesting 30 rows of product at one time, harvesters like this have greatly transformed squash farming. Scattered hay on the field is gathered into straight, neat lines thanks to this one-of-a-kind raking machine. It's always amazing to watch different mechanisms of math and physics at work to realize this seamless stream of harvest. With a bizarre design, this harvester combs through olive branches with force and makes them fall off the trees. This superb machine is pulling radishes out from the ground like it's removing blackheads from our nose. The self-built plow can reach 2 meters deep, turning the topsoil under and bringing lighter sand to the surface to make the land more suitable for other crops. The plants keep vanishing and black beans keep pouring out on top of this machine as it passes through the field. Amazing workflow is on display. With modern irrigation systems, crops are watered timely and natural resources are conserved, saving both time and money. Dread to think of harvesting a farm of spinach? Not to worry with this cutting-edge spinach harvester. Japan's semi-automatic sweet potato transplanter automates part of the planting process, making it easier and faster to plant sweet potato seedlings while reducing labor. This sprayer can make liquid manure to rain on this soybean field, helping the crops the next year. This one-row harvester makes for nearly continuous digging, most suitable for operations on small and medium-sized farm. Japanese innovators have come up with a machine that effectively cuts and sucks the green tea buds while keeping the plants trimmed and undamaged. With an interesting design, this cutter helps farmers shred banana plants into pieces in only seconds. From fruits hanging on the vines, grapes fall and roll into the container of this huge harvester each time it goes through a row in the vineyard. Planting rice in Asia has never been the same ever since the invention of advanced machines like this. Small jalapeno pepper plants are plucked, and less than a minute later, out comes a stream of leaf-free ones straight into the container. This automated conveyor belt has largely aided people in carrying ripe and heavy watermelons into crates. Compact, yet still impressively effective, this harvester proves a great assistant on green bean farms. When this Bo's chili harvester is in action, very few visible signs of chili are seen on the ground after it sweeps through. This rice harvester can be deemed one of the greatest wonders that have ever occurred to rice farming. Cutting and collecting leafy greens can take so much time, but that's not a big deal for this harvester in China. Once hidden under the ground, all the garlic is pulled up and ready for picking up, thanks to this garlic picker driven by tractor. In this advanced pineapple farm, a state-of-the-art harvesting machine works alongside skilled workers. This collaboration boosts productivity, ensuring a high-quality, bountiful harvest. In this state-of-the-art cauliflower field, the harvest begins with a next-level agricultural machine designed for precision and efficiency. Japanese workers are using a handheld device to collect tea leaves. The cranberries, naturally boiled, float to the surface, creating a vibrant red carpet across the water. The machine's integrated conveyor system then efficiently gathers the floating berries, minimizing waste and ensuring a thorough harvest. These modern apple harvesting machines can pick up to 30,000 apples per hour. These advanced machines use gentle suction to harvest apples. The sugar beet cutting machine provides delicious food for livestock. The cutting blade is designed at the machine's output, ensuring quick cutting of the beets. Tomato harvester, there's a specialized recognition system that quickly identifies and removes unwrapped tomatoes with a simple operating mechanism. Using advanced sensors and imaging technology, a next-level agricultural machine identifies any defects or imperfections and removes them from the conveyor belt. According to some farmers, this time of day is perfect because of the lettuce plants are not exposed to harsh sunlight. Besides, the lettuce will be crispy and have higher water content. This is the celery harvest that is taking place on a farm in California. Millions of celery plants will be cut and placed in plastic trays. The Spinazi Oxten, powered by hydraulics, aids farmers in harvesting their spinach fields with two cutting discs. This machine skillfully crops the upper leaves and ensures the plant's stems continue to grow for the next harvest. Bell peppers come in various colors, including green, red, yellow, and orange, with each color indicating different levels of ripeness. When the plant reaches a maximum height of 2.5 meters, that's when this impressive Belgian machine appears in the field. Each robotic arm can harvest a head of broccoli every 3 seconds, twice as fast as manual picking. With its vibrant colors and unique appearance, dragon fruit not only adds visual appeal to dishes, but also offers a refreshing and mildly sweet flavor profile, making it a delightful tropical treat. The KMS Rinklin DL3000H Vario Chute Lifter stands out as a cutting-edge agricultural machine specifically engineered to facilitate the efficient lifting and handling of shoots and branches. This manual device simplifies honeycomb cutting and board printing, aiding beekeepers during honey harvesting. This machine can arrange pumpkins in rows for harvesting, making it faster and easier to separate pumpkins from plants. This massive harvest is made possible by advances in agricultural technology, including machinery, irrigation systems, and crop genetics, ensuring a steady supply of food for billions of people around the world. To create a more beautiful fruit color, smart apple growers have chosen pneumatic defoliators. Brussels sprouts are harvested by hand, with each sprout carefully picked from the stalk when it reaches about 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. This labor-intensive process ensures that only the best quality sprouts make it to market. The Delacroix Mobile Flower Harvester is a versatile machine for harvesting cauliflower. Equipped with dual cutting heads, it separates the stalks from the florets. This is a lightning-fast spinach harvesting machine. Belgian engineers designed the machine enabling farmers to harvest tons of spinach. In recent years, most of the crop farms are concentrated in the eastern region. Meanwhile, most of the livestock farms are concentrated in the western region of the UK. Sheen is equipped with a dedicated system to collect carrots and put them in drawers so that the farmers can pack them right away. Seeds are separated from the core as they pass through the machine, where blades remove seeds in a fraction of a second. In mango processing factories, washing mangoes is a crucial step to ensure cleanliness and food safety. This process removes dirt, debris, and any potential contaminants from the surface of the mangoes. These removal machine folks decided to test one of their machines against 100 pumpkins, and the result was terrified. This assembly line, as it can crack eggs and separate yolks from egg whites perfectly. These machines use advanced technology to dig, lift, and separate the carrots from the soil, ensuring minimal damage and high yield quality, essential for commercial farming. With a tank capacity of up to 17,000 liters, this colossal pesticide sprayer can cover vast fields. Millions of onions will be harvested by this machine. They then will be transported by a truck to the packing plant. This machine allows farms to attain increased productivity levels and improve product quality. Machine processing of coconuts enhances productivity and consistency. Automated systems efficiently extract coconut water, milk, and oil, reducing manual labor. Farmers also pruned the extra branches of vines that were not of much benefit when the flowers bloom. The thing is compressed and fragmented is the peat. After undergoing the final drying process, they are distributed to nourish the crops. Up to 10% of spilled grains and corn are collected and repurposed as nutritious feed for cows. This efficient practice reduces waste and supports sustainable farming. Step into a mesmerizing world of flowers with the John Deere 6130R harvesting machine. Equipped with a JVS triple bed topper, it brings exceptional precision to the realm of tulip cultivation. In this sprawling cotton field, giant machines roar to life. Massive harvesters glide through the rows, their mechanical arms gently picking and collecting the cotton. There's those two blades on the bottom. It cuts the peanuts underneath these belts. Right here, they'll bring the peanuts up, flip them over in the back. Universal machine is the perfect choice. The farmers have a good corn silage season. The NaLac Drago Gold ensures loss-free sunflower and special fruit harvest with gentle picking technology. Automated irrigation covers large areas uniformly, promoting better crop yields and conserving water resources, essential for sustainable farming practices. HF800 splits wood using a 2-speed conal screw. To maintain a fresh and healthy pasture, the EA600 aerator is indispensable with 9 holes per foot. It aerates the soil below without damaging the surface. This machine adeptly handles small square bales, reducing leaf loss and broken bales from excessive handling. The rack spreader is used to support the process of fermenting grass. Tilling the grass helps prevent the development of pathogenic microorganisms. Mechanical harvesting of chilies boosts efficiency, handling up to 1 acre per hour. This machine is possible to grow onions by growing seedlings. The Oscar A01 berry harvester boasts a 95 to 99% harvest accuracy, guaranteeing effective berry picking operations. The trackless leaf loader efficiently picks up, witches, and loads leaves, saving time, reducing trips, and increasing comfort for operators. Modern processing lines can handle up to 10,000 avocados per hour, performing tasks such as washing, peeling, pitting, and slicing. While you are struggling to collect eggs from fierce hens, this machine that excels at the task thanks to its proximity sensor and laser scanner, the poultry bot can effortlessly gather eggs without disturbing the flock. The Toro Pro Fork debris blowers is in action, fueled by the 24.6 horsepower Kohler engine. One standout feature is its ability to finely tune the engine throttle, seamlessly adjusting from high to low RPM. The trackless Snow Lion icebreaker prevents slips and falls by pulverizing ice and hardback snow. This tulip harvesting machine plays a vital role in the Dutch agriculture industry, where tulips are extensively cultivated. The Damcon tree planter is equipped with two gigantic crescent-shaped pans, enabling even large trees with root ball diameters of up to 300 centimeters to be effortlessly lifted out of the ground. In the field, powerful harvesting machines move methodically, digging up rows of potatoes. These garlic bulbs will have to undergo rigorous processing procedures before being brought to the market. This machine removes old plants to prepare for new crops. The machine is capable of digging trenches with a depth of up to 1.8 meters and a width of up to 2.4 meters. This allows the machine to create wide and deep trenches, meeting the need for efficient drainage in the field. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cutting-edge world of agricultural machinery. We hope you found inspiration and incredible advancements showcased in this video. Don't miss out on future updates and insights into the latest innovations in farming technology. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy farming!